What's up, 6.2, y'all? We gotta get back into this. It's another day. You know, man, Mako just left them. Don't talk with them for a little bit. Yeah, it should be going on. Might take tomorrow, Wednesday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or something like that. Today, Monday. You know, hopefully that should be getting done right away. I need my Hellcat, man. You know, I just want to get out here, man, kind of get a test running. Let's see if anything wrong with it. Got dead by from an auction. You know, it's not a perfect car. It's not gonna be a perfect car. I'm not looking for it to be a perfect car. I didn't buy it as a perfect car, so I know I'm not really looking for it to be, you know, A1. But I'm just very prepared. You know what I'm saying? Prepare myself for any like damages beyond this point. You know what I'm saying? But I just need to get those. If there is damage beyond this point, I need to know about it. So I'm not left, you know, too far in the dark. But yeah, y'all, beautiful day. I'm not gonna keep y'all too long today. Excuse me, it's 8. I'm gonna keep y'all too long today. You know, like I say, it's Monday. Tired, off work. You know, kid always work. Just got off of work. Not really, you know, not necessarily work, but you know, I did my thing for myself. So it's like beautiful thing out here, man. Keep y'all goals second, God first. You know what I mean? Keep Lord first, keep the God first, keep God first. 6.2 game, man. Hey, 6.2 fam, 6.2 bang bang, all that, man. Y'all keep God first, man. Y'all stay prayed up. Cause Lord do great things, man. He really do. He blesses everybody who's blesses. You know, get blessed. Everybody get blessed. Don't you get blessed? You don't even know you be blessed. You blessed by waking up. You blessed. You know what I mean? That's what it is. But hey, back to the topic at hand, man. Thank you, Lord Jesus. And Hellcat action, man. Like I say. But as soon as I get out of here, man, I wanna go ahead. I'm going definitely, and go get my paint, man. You know what I mean? So I'm really excited about my paint job gonna be done, or getting done. I'm very excited about that. The color's gonna be insane, man. Y'all gotta stay tuned for that, man. The color in the Hellcat, it's gonna be crazy, man. It's gonna be insane. You know what I mean? I'm going crazy on the color. You know what I mean? Like I said, the color gonna be, man, it's gonna be insane. You know what I mean? I can tell you that. You know, I'm not gonna do no spoilers on this one, but it's gonna be one of a kind Hellcat out here, man. You know what I mean? I'm gonna put that separation bridge. You know what I mean? Put that bridge, you know, between me and other different Hellcats. Not necessarily like in power wise. You know what I'm saying? But I just kind of. That's another thing I want to talk about is I've been watching the videos. People buy, man, Hellcats blowing up, made motors and stuff. You know, that's the situation. That was to happen to me. I'll just take it out, get it rebuilt, and just get that sucker powered down to like a demon motor or something. You feel me? If it ever blow up like that, my engine blow up, I'm getting out of there. I'm getting shipped to the right people. I'm gonna make that sucker, man, to 1,000 horses naturally. if that was the case, you know what I mean? But it's what it is. But or wherever, not 1,000 horses, 800 horses, whatever it's gonna be more than 700 stock. I tell you that. I just thought about it. 1,000 horses would be the elephant. In that case, I'd be at the elephant crate. That 1,000 horses natural, that's a elephant crate. You feel me? I wouldn't mind having one, but you know, I'd be scared to drive that sucker, man. I tell you that. But I wouldn't mind though. I really, honestly, if my next car, I really might get a scat pack. My next car be a Challenger scat pack, or it's gonna be a Demon, or it might be a red eye Hellcat. You know what I mean? Gonna be one of those. You know what I mean? But definitely gonna be Mopar, man. I might just go crazy, get an old school Mopar, y'all. You feel me? Find one of those. Put something out there in that, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. Like I say, Mako, they doing framework for the kid, man. Gotta be done for the kid. Framework has to be done. Like I say, I gotta have it done. And they were the best reputable company. I ain't want to take it to you know what I'm saying, a shop that's back like off in the corner somewhere, and somebody going doing some sideways, left way, up and down. You know what I'm saying? Some messed up stuff, man. I ain't trying to go through that, man. I don't have time for that. Not today, you know what I mean? I can't take no losses, man. Like, I can't take no loss of that out. Ooh, Lord. Nobody can, man. But not this state, man. Like I say, I work too hard for my stuff. Like I say, you know, some people don't understand that hard work do pay off. They just want to come take yours. You know what I mean? That's not what that is. I tell you that. I tell you that. Ooh, somebody right there. Ooh, wee. Look at that, y'all. See? What that green monster was. That was a green goblin or something. Dang. He came past all horses. He was already gone. You know? That is what that is. So, you know. When I get my Hellcat, I'm doing the same thing. You know what I'm saying, man? Same thing. I'm going crazy on the pedal, man. Watch out, man. I'm going sideways. I might name myself Sideways Kid or something. Yeah, I mean, nah, I'm just playing, though. I ain't gonna be doing that crazy stuff. But trust you me, man. I'm gonna definitely step on and see what y'all talking about this power, man. First Hellcat, man, be the first time I done drove a Hellcat. My Hellcat, my first time I drove a Hellcat be mine. I never drove one. You know, I always watch videos or something like that. I drove Scat Packs though. You know, I got in the Hellcat, started up, and turned the like a parking lot. To me, that's not driving a Hellcat. When you drive out of parking lot like on the highway or something, you get your feet wet in the Hellcat. That's why I consider it driving. But starting up, going to a parking lot in a dealership, a few turn corners, yeah, that's not really necessarily driving a Hellcat. That's like you know, we chauffeuring a Hellcat right now. That's what that would be. You feel me? But at the end of the day, we gotta. I'm gonna get in sucker, man. You know what I mean? A little bit, man. It's a little bit, not too much. I'm not gonna go crazy, man. I don't go crazy, man. But I might just want to. I mean, on a day, nobody out there on the road or something, I might even go out there and say, hey, man, say, cuz, let me do a little something on this road, man. You let me slide, B. You know what I mean, B. You know what I mean? Let me make it, man. But they ain't gonna let the kid make it, man. They gonna bust in the head with a ticket, man. You better be there. If it's 60, you better be doing 55. You know what I'm saying? Cause if you don't, yeah, bow, bang, bang, pull over, red and blue, handcuffs, man. Oh, Lord, man. Bail money, man. You gon' need it. You gon' need it. I mean, for real, by the end of the day, I ain't gonna hold it on too much longer, man. This video going much longer than I thought it was. I lose the time now. But yeah, I'm out of here, man. I'm tired. Y'all stay safe, drive safe, man. 6.2 game, man. Fire Wheels, 6.2 the channel y'all tuned into. Fire Wheels with 2 E's. 6.2, man. Fire Wheels. 6.2. It's the channel. Tuned in, locked in. Tuned in, locked in. Oh, tuned in, locked in. Dang. 0.2 game. You feel me? Alright. Peace, man. It's peace. And drive safe, people. Whatever you do.